Today's video starts a little bit differently than our other adventures. It starts, as any good story does, with a little thing called Facebook Marketplace.
We're going to get a Talbot!
It's currently a random Thursday at 5:30. It's been raining all day and we're about to see a man about a van.
Where are we going, Sam? Where are we going? We're going to get a Talbot! I'm going to ring the guy now because we're 10 minutes away and we'll maybe take a few cheeky photos when we see it. We're not far away now, we're just waiting to see which number it is that the house is. I can't remember. Oh, I think I see it in the distance.
I see it.
He's not in.
It's literally 5 feet away from us.
Yeah.
It looks nice.
It does look really nice. We can see it.
It's just over there. I don't want to film people's houses, but it's just there.
I found this little gem, as anyone does, scrolling on Facebook Marketplace at 2 AM in the morning. This is a 1993 Talbot Express Air model.
This model includes gas hobs, a grill, a fridge, a sink,
What did you say that was for?
a full-fledged wet room and cassette toilet. It even has onboard electrics. A deal has been done.
We've bought a van! Hello! We bought a van. One time I've got like adult
News.
big things coming. None of them are answering. It's unbelievable. Let me gloat. Let me show you how jealous you're going to be of me big van. Me white van man. It's unbelievable.
Plan now is we've got to wait 15 minutes till the insurance kicks in.
Yep.
We'll take it to the petrol station. And then go home.
Yeah.
We've got a van.
This is me being a passenger princess. This is
Me
Sam
not being a passenger princess.
as I should. That's one big ass steering wheel.
That's it, very good.
They've done the radio for us. That's all I really need to know about. Sam asked about the speedo or something. I don't know what that is.
That's how fast we're going. The
Yeah.
speedometer.
Yeah, it's got a choke. Whoever people don't know what a choke is.
You're probably not old enough to know what a choke is.
Neither is Sam, but he does for some reason.
You own enough crap cars. Sorry, old cars.
So yeah, we'll give you a full tour, but sneak peek. Up for the first time.
We put half a tank in, which is £45 here at our Texaco.
Oof, Texaco.
Other petrol stations are available.
Do better. That was rough. We're headed home. Got a little half an hour drive, and we'll just see how the little Talbot does. However, I am already thinking about names for the Talbot. Not sure yet.
Every man
Join
the caravan.
On the motorway.
Come on, mate, just on the motorway in my Talbot Express.
Doing 50, mind you, in the slow lane, getting overtaken.
60, it's getting up there. Come on! We've made the perilous journey.
And the little Talbot's done really well.
Yeah.
You did it!
Oh. Got scratched if I didn't. Big old fucking hump in it, huh?
Yeah.
Safe and sound.
So, we just got back with our little Talbot.
It did great. Didn't
Yes.
go above 55. I don't think it can.
We were behind lorries all the time, but as to be expected with an old van. So yeah, we'll show you around in the next video, but right now we're just thinking it just needs a really good clean and a little bit of our razzle dazzle.
A bit of whimsy.
Yeah, but engine's fine, everything else we can see is fine. Sam will have a proper look at it once.
It's had a timing chain.
Yeah.
It's been serviced. It's all fused up. That's the main safe. It's safe is the main thing.
Yeah.
As you can tell, I'm knackered.
Yeah, so we're going to think of some names for it. Can you guys think of some names for it?
Van Halen.
Stop. I'm thinking Buttercup.
Van Diesel. But it is a petrol,
No.
so you can't have that one. Vanessa.
No.
All the names are available.
No. Steve Van.
And we did buy somebody called Steve.
Yeah, true.
That's clever. But yeah, this is just a little different video. This is.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll do a full breakdown of. Oh, I can't even call it a room tour. It'll be a
Van tour.
a tin tour. Yeah. But yeah.
We'll see you in the next video, and there'll be a lot more videos coming up of us redesigning. What is it?
Putting our pizzazz.
Yeah, I don't know. Basically, gutting it, but not gutting it.
Yeah, that's it. I think this is a really good base level, isn't it?
Yeah, a really good passion project.
Passion.
And for the summer, hopefully we'll be done so we can go exploring. A little south of France trip, maybe.
Mon français c'est merde.
Yeah, so tell us your best places that you guys have been in your campers and let us know, because we are very new to this. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.